Just to quickly have a look here. These are 8 brackets supplied when you buy a D5 Evo kit. The rear side is the steel brackets we fit in on our installations. We can tell you that you need all of the support possible, especially on big steel sliding gates. This steel sliding gate is a mere 4 meters wide, so it's not that big. But if you look at the brackets that we fit in, we make sure it's going nowhere. Right, we've done welding the steel gate rail onto the steel sliding gate. If you want to do this, you need to be proficient in welding, otherwise it's not going to work out for you. You can see properly welded. That's the origin marker coming there, welded into position. So every 400-500 millimeters the steel angle bracket has been welded into place. This is what you want it to be properly welded into place. I want to move over to the other side, but you'll see we still have brackets, and here we're getting to the end as well, the fully open position. We've got 2 brackets that's supporting there. There we go. So doing something different on this installation, we still have the steel nut washers that's holding the gate motor down, but the anti-theft ear bracket has been welded with the angle iron down onto the steel base plate, which means is you cannot unbolt this gate motor, you need to cut it off. Let's have a look at the other side. Right, the left hand side, steel bolts, washers in place, properly secured. The ears have been welded down. Gate motor is completely welded down. Let's have a look.
Daarna moet gaan niks is vir altyd nie.
Maar